Good morning, all. Good morning, student. Today, we will see array of structure variable in C language. So, we know what is meant by structure. Structure is a user-defined data type which stores non-homogeneous data elements together in a single entity called as structure. Means, if we want to store total record of any student which contains name, roll number, marks, address, mobile, etc. having different data types together in a single entity called a student. So no data type is available in C language. So we have to create our own user defined data type containing all non-homogeneous data elements together, and that is nothing but our structure, which is user defined data type. Now, what does this mean by why we use array of structure variable? Okay, so what is the array of structure variable? Why it is needed? Suppose we want to store record of 5 students together. So what happens? We have to create structure variables 5 times. That is S1, S2, S3, S4, S5. If the students are more, that is 100 students. So how many variables we want to declare structure type? S1 to S100. But it is not feasible while initializing the data and accessing data from that structure variable. Instead of that, we have, it is also not feasible. So instead of that, we have to create array of structure variable, because structure one record is similar. So what is the use of array? To store homogeneous data elements together in a single entity called as array. That is the use of array. So structures one record is similar. Students one record is similar to other students record. That means if you want to store all students record, suppose 100 together, then we have to use array. So this type of concept is called as array of structure variable. So student, let's take one example. So let's take one example. Write a C program in C language which first define the structure cricket team, having elements, that is data members of that cricket team structure, as the name of the player, age, score in ODI. These are the 3 data members of the structure cricket team. Next, declare an initialization of structure for 5 cricketers by taking input at runtime. That means we have to take values of name, age and score from the user at runtime using scanf statement. For how many cricketers? 5 cricketers. Okay. Next, display the information of all cricketers. Now, in this first program, we have to display information of the all 5 cricketers. Okay. So, in second program, everything is similar, but one condition is different. That is, in the second program, display the information of all those cricketers whose score in ODI is greater than equal to 100. So we want to display only the name, age and score of those cricketers whose ODI score is greater than or equal to 100. So that is one condition we have to apply. So these are 2 different programs. Now let's start writing our program in dev C++ IDE. Create new source file. Okay, so what is the first thing? First thing, we have to include header file, that is hash include stdio.h. Okay, next what we have to do? Next thing is structure cricket team structure. Create structure for cricket team. So create it. What is the syntax? Struct, this is the keyword struct, So give the name to the structure as a cricket. So this is the name of your data type, that is struct cricket. This is the name of the data type, similar to int, float, that is the built-in data types, and struct cricket is the name of the data type, which is user defined data type. Now which are the data members? First data member is the name of the cricketer. So save the name of the cricketer. So how we have to save the name of the cricketer? That is the character array. So character array name of 10. Okay, so size of that name is 10. That is the character array. Next, what is the next thing? Age. So age must be integer, so write int age, that is 36, 33, like this. Next, score. Score is also in the integer format. So score in ODI, that is one day international. So these are the three data members of the structure. So these are called as data members of struct cricket, structure cricket. Okay, so these are name, age, score are the data members of struct cricket. Next, give semicolon. Give semicolon. Okay, one optional part, that is we have to create structure variable here before the semicolon. This is also possible, or we have to create after definition of the struct cricket. It is also possible. How we have create here? What is the data type? Struct cricket. Okay, struct cricket, that is the name of the data type. Then write name of the variable. Suppose C, how many cricketers information we want to store? 5. So create the array of structure variable. This is called as array of structure variable. Okay, so this is C5. C is a structure variable, and C5, this is called as array of structure variable. That means one cricketer's information, that is name, age, score, is similar, homogeneous. So all 5 cricketers information is homogeneous. If we want to store homogeneous data elements information together, then we have to use array. And if we want to store non-homogeneous data elements together, that is character array, integer age, these are non-homogeneous data elements together in a single entity, then we have to use structure as a user defined data type. Clear? Understood the difference between array and structure? Array stores homogeneous data elements. For example, it is also a record, and structure stores non-homogeneous data elements together in a single entity. Okay, now after that, create the main function. So int main. Inside main, first what we have to do? Inside main, first we have to take the information, that is name, age, score, that is the data member of the structure, from the user. For that we have to use printf statement. Printf. So first information is enter name of cricketer /n. After printf statement, use scanf statement. Okay, percentage name is in the form of percentage s, so use format specifier as percentage s. After percentage s, where we want to save it, s of I. Okay, dot, where we want to store name, so use name. Okay, so s of I, don't use ampersand here, because while scanning the character array, no need to write ampersand. So don't need ampersand here. Where we want to store C of I. What is C? C is a C of I, that is character array of structure variable. First index, array index always starts from 0. So this statement we want to enter where? Inside a for loop. So write for loop here from I, where I is equal to 0, because index starts from 0. I less than equal to 4, that is total 5 record. That means 0 to 4, total 5 records we have to insert and I plus plus. After that, use curly brackets. So just cut it and paste it to. Okay. So now next record we want to insert, that is printf. What we have to enter? Enter age. Okay, age of, suppose, just enter age of cricketer. Age of cricketer. Scanf. Age is in the percentage d, integer type, comma, ampersand of c of I dot age. So here one mistake. Okay. After that, printf. So just I have copied this code for third data member, that is enter score in ODI. So score is also percentage d, ampersand of c of I dot, not age, data member name is score dot score. Okay, so after scanning three data members, next thing, what is the next thing after scanning? Means now one data member we have to initialize, that is integer I declared. Okay, because this is the age index of array, starts from 0 to 4. So 5 times this body of for loop get executed. That means scanning 5 students record, not students cricketers record. After that, what is the next thing? What is the next thing we want? What is the memory management for that cricketers record? So here c of 0 dot name 0, c of 0 dot name 1 till c of 0 dot name 9, because name array, character array, is of size 10. So index starts from 0 to 9. After that, c of 0, c of 0 means first cricketer's record. Age, C of 0, first cricketer records scores. So this total is called as C of 0, that is cricketer first record. After in after memory management for first record, second record is stored, that is C of 1, that is second cricketer's record. C1 dot name of 0 to C1 dot name of 9. C1 dot age and C1 dot score. So this is the memory management, and this is the array. So memory get allocated for each cricketer in contiguous memory location on primary memory, or it is called as RAM, random access memory. So base address suppose 100, then each record requires memory as per their data members. Okay, and extra memory for 2 bytes for alignment and padding purpose. We have seen that part in previous lecture also. So when you enter the name as a Sachin, then Sachin is stored at the C of 0 dot name. Second, age is inserted into C of 0 dot age. Third, like this. This is for two records only. C of 2, C of 3 and C of 4 for third, fourth, fifth record. Okay, this is all about memory management. So let's move to our code part. So this loop get executed for 5 times. After executing, now we want, what is the problem statement? So problem statement is declare and do initialization of the structure for 5 cricketers. So we declared the array of structure 5 cricketers and also initialize, that is initialize the values at runtime by taking input from user. Now display the information of all cricketers that is remaining. So how to display the information? Using again displaying record. So record contains what? Its name, age and score. So displaying that, what we required? Again 5 times we want to execute the 5 statements. So what we required? We required loop. So we take here one loop, that is for loop. I is equal to 0, I less than equal to 4, I plus plus. Inside this we want to only printf. So how to print it? Okay, so first is name colon, which is in the format of percentage %s, then give some spaces. After the name, what we required, age colon some space, then percentage %d. After age, what we required, printing score, and score is also in the format percentage %d, that is integer type. After that, name, where we want to fetch the name, from array of structure. What is C of I? That is, initially it is C of 0 dot name, comma C of I dot, second thing is age, comma C of I dot score. Okay, after that, give semicolon at the end of the string, printf string. So this statement executed for 5 times. Initially, name C of 0 dot name, C of 0 dot age, C of 0 dot score. That means first record that we have to store in the RAM, that is displayed. After that, I get incremented by 1 less than equal to 4, condition again true, again second record is displayed. So let's check whether it works or not. So return 0 at the end of the main function, then compile the program. Before that, save it using array of struct, save it, then run it, compile it. Okay, there is no error, no warning, then easily we want to run it. So first, enter name of cricketer. So enter the name, suppose Sachin is the name, then name of age, age is suppose 35, then score 105 for this current cricket match. Enter the name of second, Virat. What is the age? Suppose age is 29. Then what is the score? 150. Like this, we want to enter how many cricketers information? 5. So next is Ravi Shastri. Suppose enter the age 45. Then enter the score, suppose 12. Like this. Again, if we want to store again names, suppose Ganguly, age suppose 39, what is the score? 180. Again, last name, suppose Rahul, then age suppose 38, and their score, respective score is 102. So after entering 5 records, we want to display that. So name, Sachin, age. Okay, so these 5 records are displayed, but what happens? These are displayed in line by line. Why? Because we does not use /n. So use /n after what? /n after the this. Okay, so this is all about the structure and structure printing the values. So after this, what we want to do? Okay, 5 records and displaying the 5 records line by line. But second problem statement, what is the second problem statement? Look at the second problem statement. Everything is same, that is cricket team, initialize with name, age and score, declare and initialize it for 5 cricketers at runtime. But one condition is different for the second program. Display the information of all those cricketers those score in ODI is greater than equal to 100. So we want to print only those cricketers record whose score, ODI score, is more than 100. So now what we require? So we want to display. So here only one thing is there. Only we want to give condition. What is condition? If what is if C of I dot score, C of I dot score is greater than equal to 100, only that's cricketers information we want to print, that is score greater than equal to 100. If statement contains only single printf, don't no need to write curly brackets, no need to write curly brackets. So let's check whether it works or not. That is the solution for second. Only one condition is there. If the c of I, that is cricketers score, is greater than equal to 100, then only display this name, age and score. So let's compile it. It does not give any error, so now run it. So name of the cricketer, so let's Sachin, then age 21. Sachin score suppose 121. Okay, then Ganguly, but this match Ganguly age is 39 and score only 21, that is not more than 100. Then enters third Rahul, and Rahul age is 38 and its score is 180 this match, so it is more than 100. Then Virat, but in this match Virat's age is 21 but score is very less, 45 only, so it is not more than 100. Enter last, suppose Ravi Shastri also age is more, 45, but score in the current match is only 33. So only the cricketers Sachin, then Rahul, and only more runs more than or score more than 100. So we want to display only the names of that cricketers whose score is more than 100. That is Sachin and Rahul. So this is our last outcome. So only we want to add the condition. Okay. So this is all. So our code is correct. So if statement contains only single printf statement, so no need to write curly bracket. That is the grammar of the C language. Okay. So this is all about cricketer program. Okay, so let's summarize is what is structure. Structure is a user defined data type which stores non-homogeneous name, age, score, non-homogeneous data elements together in a single entity. Okay, so after that create array of structure variable using C. C is the name of the struct cricket. Struct cricket is the name of the data type, and C of 5 is the array of structure variable. So C is the variable structure variable and C5, that is the array of structure variable. So it is very easy to access and assign the values to the structure array of structure variable using loops. So it is very easy. If the student cricketers information are 100, so what we require only 0 to I less than equal to 99, and same way we can scan the 99 cricketers record. So it is very easy. Instead of write c1 c2 c3 100 cricketers variables, we can use array of structure variable. That is the use of array of structure variable, because one record but all records of cricketer is similar, so we can use the array because array stores homogeneous data elements together in a single entity. Okay, so this is all about array of structure. Clear, student? So today we will stop